Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing with you this delicious Waakye inspired salad. It's very good. You will love it. You will really love it. It's amazing. Okay, so I'll need you to stay with me and I'll show you how I do this. But in the meantime, I would like to know if you're all doing well. I'm sure you are by God's grace. So I am also doing very good. So let's get into this and I'll show you how I made this deliciousness. So as mentioned earlier, this is Waakye inspired rice salad. Okay, so Waakye is rice with beans. So let's see how it goes. So I'm starting by cooking my rice. What I've done is I've added some salt to water, and then I've put a bag of Waakye leaves or sorghum leaves in there, and I've added some blended onions to season my rice. I want the rice to taste really good. What I'll do is to cover it for the water to boil. Once it boils and I get a good color from the sorghum leaves, I'll just add my rice. And as you can see, the color is nice and rich. And what I'm doing is I'm using my wooden spoon to press down the bag to get more color out. Because what happens is once you add your dressing, it can discolor the rice because the dressing has some vinegar in it and it can discolor the rice. So you need to get a very rich red color. If there is anything else that can get that color for you, that would be amazing. Otherwise, it doesn't really matter more. Yeah. So I've added my rice, giving it a stir. I'm going to let this rice steam, and once it's cooked, you will just continue. But I'm just thinking about it. You can use Waakye. If you already have Waakye, you can use it. Rice and beans that is already cooked. You can use it. But I'm not adding beans here. In the rice, I'll add the beans later on. We're making salad. So, I'm just thinking, okay, to see when if you can add your beans here. But no, I already have pre-cooked beans that will add to it. So what I did that you probably didn't see is I scooped or I reserved some of the water, so the colored water, and I also put the bag in it. So as it was sitting, it was brewing. This is for when you're cooking your rice and your rice needs more water. Then you can add that water. You don't have to add plain water, which can again dilute the color of your rice. We want this color to stand out in our Waakye salad. You will see at the end when I add my dressing, the color will dilute a little bit as I'm speaking about. So I'm banging on it because I know what happened in the end. So now the rice looks very good to me. It's nicely cooked. You're looking for rice that is very nice and fluffy, not water rice. Rice. I don't even know how to call it, but I mean rice that is soft and because you're going to be adding dressing, you need very fluffy rice. So once your rice is cooked, you let it air dry. Just spread it on a tray to air dry. In the meantime, let's make our dressing. So for our dressing, we need some oil. I'm adding a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to be adding another tablespoon of shito oil. So oil that is settling on top of my shito. We are making Waakye salad. So I've added some salt, some black pepper, and some garlic that I've grated. And I've added my balsamic vinegar. Check the description box for substitution of balsamic vinegar. I've added some lemon juice. I'm adding some salad cream and mayonnaise. Yes, I'm making Waakye salad. The things that we put on Waakye, okay, for Waakye to be delicious, we are turning it into salad. So there must be some salad cream. There must be some mayonnaise. Ketchup, if I get I'll add it. Or I added and I didn't see. Okay, so let's put everything together. So to our salad bowl, we've added 2 cups of rice, okay? I have a cup of lettuce, a cup of black eye beans, okay? I have some tomatoes, half a cup. I have half cup of onions, yellow pepper, green pepper, some beef, some chicken, and then some eggs. All right, because we usually add all these to our Waakye, okay? So let's mix everything together. The beef was steamed. The chicken was also steamed. I steamed it with just black pepper and salt. Finished. No, a friend is saying, no complicated issue beer here, right? Once you add your dressing to it, to give it a stir, mix it nicely, and your Waakye salad is ready. And as I was banging on about the color, you can see that the color has actually diluted. You can see that it's become, but you can still see, it is the Waakye, right? So it's got all the beans too. I cooked it as you cooked it to add to your amutuo. That's how you have to cook it so that it's not very soft, right? So yeah, this is our waakye. This looks unusual, but trust me, this is some good stuff. Good stuff. It can be used as a side dish, a main dish. However, just give it a try and you see. So the next thing that is going to be coming to you is my rice and stew inspired what? Salad, some gobe inspired salad, some just say the salad in it. All our food in Ghana, yeah, the best salad. We are raw for cry to the salad. All right, thank you all for joining me today. I'm glad to have you here. I'm always glad to have you here with me. Don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the very next one. Bye.